have a business integration team. It's led by the business, and I would say every key function has a manager that's represented on that team. So anything new coming into the organization gets reviewed by that team. The other thing that team does is it takes all the projects that are coming out for the year and make sure there isn't any collisions from a resourcing or from a rollout perspective.
We have something we call a Business Process Steering Committee, BPSC, and it consists of 5 business users and 3 people from IS. We don't have to be the bad guy.
Yeah.
Right? So the
You're
geologist,
not the cop anymore, yeah.
VP
Yeah.
of Geology comes in with this project, and he says, we've got to do this. And the guy that sits on the BPSC that represents that, who is underneath him, has the power to say no. We've already got 2 of those systems in place, or this is, there's a direct collision course with something else, or, it's not widely accepted. And so we now have that group of 7 people. There is one VP that sits on it, and that is sponsored by the CFO. So there's a huge cost control mechanism that's associated with it.
It's just built in. We have a data ownership for every key data source. So we have one source of truth per kind of business line, so they sign off on all of them.
And by data ownership, that means that they assert data quality management is in place and it's
Yeah.
So how do you do that, Scott? Do you have a manager level or analyst level that's accountable for the data?
So we have it under governance.
Okay.
It's led under governance, put back out to the business on the data quality. So that's really their stack.
So they have to. So it's not a consistent level in the organization. Whoever they choose to be their data owner.
Yep.
So you're the steward of the data, effectively.
Correct.